Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, so friends, I will show you beautiful seashell crafts ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my video. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, our first idea is take a photo frame. Now clean it well. Next, your seashell, arrange them on the frame. Now glue. Use blue seashells, point of one. Press gently and fix them. Let it dry for some time. Your seashell frame is ready. So easy and beautiful beach styles frame. And friends, take a second frame. Now add glue on the side. Stick small shells first, then fill small space with small shells. You can also add sand or pearl, make it look natural. Let it dry completely. Your beach frame is ready. And friends, next idea is friends, and weavers. And friends, decorate frame. Today we will decorate a frame with seashells. First plan your design. Now start drawing shells slowly. Mix different shapes and size. Add small bits for extra beauty. Fill all empty space. Let it dry. Your decorate frame is ready. And friends, so my next idea is weavers. Gift idea friend. This seashells frame is a perfect gift. Take your favorite picture. Now decorate the frame with shells. Glue each shells carefully. Make it neat and pretty. Let it dry fully. Now your handmade gift it is ready. And friends, my next idea is weavers. Make this seashell frame in a few minutes. Take a frame and glue stations all around. Fill empty space. Let it dry. Turn easy and beautiful. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care. And